Don't be surprised if you see more live streams on X over the next month. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. While live streaming isn't a new feature for the social network, it's not a feature you'd commonly associate X with. Now, the company's launched a live streaming command center called Live Studio, with tools creators need to go live more easily, along with new payouts to incentivize them. The company's head of product has announced that it'll be rewarding creators who live stream by allocating $1 million for them in the upcoming cycle. Nikita Beer didn't expand on how the payouts will be structured, but he said more details will follow. However, he did post a demo of the new live streaming command center inside Creator Studio to show how it works. Within the command center, users will be able to create a new stream, give it a title, and upload a thumbnail that viewers will see before it goes live. They can schedule it to begin at a specific hour on a certain day and then choose who gets to be able to watch it. Live streams can be limited to verified accounts, the account the creator follows, or their subscribers, but they can also be visible to everyone on X. Live Studio also shows creators their viewers' comments and how their stream is doing, including the number of concurrent viewers, the countries they're from, and the devices they use. Live streaming is exclusively available to users paying $3 a month for an X Premium. In 2023, Ron DeSantis was supposed to announce his presidential bid on the platform's live audio streaming service, but X's servers were kind of melting and prevented him from doing so. And then, a year later, Elon Musk was supposed to interview President Trump, but his Spaces Live crashed and became inaccessible. Now, whether X has improved its live streaming over the past few years remains to be seen. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.